Hey girl with the big foot.
Hey!
Listen what me said.
No!
Your foot similar to national bread. Hey big foot.
Hey!
Go up on the bed.
Oh!
Your foot take up 2/2 of the spread. Hey big feet.
Yeah!
Me know say your seat. Your big toe need go 2 row of seat. Big foot.
Yeah!
Your license for these. Every man a run when you step in at the street. Hey big foot.
How you look so today like a fighter in a fight at school?
Yes.
So who win the fight?
Of course we beat him up.
Oh, make sure you're.
Mr. Man, one time I'll just tell him I'm step up on him.
Easy I'm a fighter, son.
Yeah, me win.
You sure you win?
Of
So
course
if
I
you
win.
win, how come your shirt just stretch out of your eyes well?
No.
Come here. Come here. God say must not lie. God say must not lie. Who win the fight? Come here, come over here, son. Come over here, son, let me talk to you. Come here. Come over here, son, now. Look, me say. And don't come back in my house until you win. Buddy, hey, what?
No,
What's wrong with Buddy?
No.
What's wrong? Aren't we buddies? No.
Buddy?
Nigga, what's wrong with Buddy?
Yeah, no.
Buddy, what's wrong with Buddy?
No.
Damn, man. Man, you gotta hold that ball. Hold that ball like a football. Head that football. Yeah, man, that's my balls. That's your balls. It's our balls. It's the balls in your hand, man. What? Why do you stop? What's wrong with the balls? You don't have a balls?
No.
Hey, my nigga.
No.
Hey, man, you gotta jump up on that, man. Go up there. Get in it. It's under the girl's skirt. It's on. Kiss it now. Kiss it under the skirt. Kiss under the skirt. Nigga, you stopped. Nigga, what's going on, man?
No.
Man. Man.
No.
Come on, nigga. Come on. Do some push-ups. Come on, give me them push-ups. Go. Yeah, kiss it. Up in that ass. Get up in that ass. Up in that ass, my nigga. What? Wait. Why do you stop, my nigga?
No.
Get up on in that ass.
No.
Man.
My lifestyle rich. All of me girl them dip. All of me friend them rich. My lifestyle rich. All of me girl them dip. Versace for me wrist. And the ice money chain them a drip. My lifestyle rich. Lifestyle. From a wake up, me rich. As I see me walk, rich. Look at my teeth, rich. Like a truck, rich. Tweet, look at me real rich. Watch Ari, my style and the whole like Atari. TT must show the Ferrari.
Yo, get out of the
I'm a charge. You said boy Chris Martin, call me. TT.
Yo! What? Me can't hear you!
You make qualify nice.
Yo,
me a chat.
you mustn't allow me alone.
Yo, you can turn it
Now
down.
cut me lawn, me now cut your lawn.
Yo, you can cut the line in the
Go
time.
suck your mother.
Yo,
Make me cut me lawn, batty boy. What you feel like? The government give me the piece of land and me buy it. Me spend my money, batty boy. Boat. Man, me have to run the lawn more.
You wanna see me watch the TV? Put it back.
I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun to get respect up on the street. Under the sun, the bastard son will pop the clock to feed the
Deal! Yo, phone outside the dog. I can't sleep, sir. Deal! Phone up.
To box side, you know it.
Come out the door,
Come
man.
on.
Yo! Shit, what? Come on, man. Wake up.
You know the yard.
Why am I in the yard? Phone outside,
Go
man.
on,
That's
man.
some foolishness. I can't sleep, sir. Come pull the door and let me in. Come pull the door and let me in.
Go on.
Dog, what kind of disrespect is my youth?
No.
Phone outside, the dog.
Shit house, man.
Early morning in my youth. I don't finish bed so long in my youth. What kind of foolishness is my job, man? To stand up my youth. Come let me in, the dog.
Sometimes I wonder what me I send you to school for now.
Forget the degree where you never get.
I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun to get
Hold on. Me I talk to? Oh, we I talk to a while ago.
No,
Oh, we I talk to? Wait, hold on. Wait, a lot of laugh? I can't be that talk to a while ago. Marcia, pass me gun. Marcia, pass me gun. I'm going to shoot this boy today. I'm going to chop him up. Give him a cutlass. You don't come here, boy. Come here now. You don't tell you, hey boy. Yo, let me tell you this. Yo, who you talk to? Yo.
I got 2 long, cover the plug and one.
Now this is some dancehall.
Me want another split? Yes, G. Somebody go call father. Is $1,000 back this? Yes, G. Tell them go suck them. Hey. After all, dog and us a wait pan a call. 4 rifle in upon a wall. On my car, drive up, pull up on foot, boys spread out like say.
Girl, me I tell you some meet a Chico they see man, one of them Mexican they like when Future talk about. Wait, who me talk to? After me I talk to Jamaican, no hable English.
That's a wrap, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please I ask you to like and subscribe and share. Leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this video and tell me what we would like to see me do next. Until next time, it is your boy Kanil Clark. Peace.